We burn terribly under our own sun. Our weak spines are completely falling apart. Childbirth is a violent, highly dangerous process. Why do we completely fail to adapt? Maybe we are not from here at all. Look closely at your everyday environment. Lizards sit under hot sunlight for hours. Dogs and horses handle it just fine. Their body protective layers are fully calibrated. Our human skin is not ready layout. We invented a chemical paste called sunscreen. Our own local star actively kills us. Now think about your aching back. 80% of humans suffer painful issues. This is a major structural blueprint flaw. Evolution tried to stand a bridge upright. Gravity crushes our vertical spinal discs daily. Kangaroos stand up without any structural pain. Human bodies were retrofitted badly from animals. Human childbirth is the most dangerous process. Our babies have massive, rapidly growing heads. They barely fit through the birth canal. This process regularly killed mothers throughout history. No other species dies delivering healthy offspring. A newborn horse walks within 1 hour. Human babies show up completely helpless instead. They cannot even hold up their heads. Next, look at your weird allergies. The immune system must protect your body, but it fights completely harmless environmental items. It attacks simple pollen, dust, and nuts. 30% of humans have broken defenses. Your body battles the very air inside. Did nature make a massive design error? Or is your system built somewhere else? The strangest part is inside your head. No other animal on Earth knows mortality. Dogs do not lie awake wondering about death. Dolphins do not face dark existential crises. Elephants do not build complex religious temples. But humans deal with this terror daily. We walk around knowing we will stop. We spend our entire history trying to solve it. We build massive monuments and write philosophies. Why would evolution give us existential dread? What survival advantage does madness provide here? This dread has driven nations to war. We feel like a highly displaced species. We are conscious enough to sense wrongness, but we are completely unable to solve it. Look at how we treat the ecosystem. Every native species lives in perfect balance. Predators keep the prey fully in check. Prey keeps the lush green life stable. Decomposers recycle every single nutrient back. Everybody plays their part except for us. We clear-cut forests and poison wide rivers. We pump toxic gases into the sky. We drive thousands of species to extinction. We are not participating in Earth's loop. We are actively taking it all apart. This looks exactly like an invasive species. Something dropped onto a foreign planet layout. We simply do not know the rules, because the rules were never written for us. If we do not belong, where from? In 1973, a paper shook science. Francis Crick published a highly wild theory. He won the Nobel Prize in DNA. He decoded how life carries instructions layout. Crick called his wild theory directed panspermia. The crazy idea that life was seeded here, deliberately brought by an intelligent space civilization. The man who decoded DNA doubted Earth's origin. And the evidence backing him is very real. Complex life showed up here overnight. Roughly 3.8 billion years ago. Earth itself was a fresh cooling hellscape. Smashing asteroids and toxic gas filled the air. Yet life popped up almost instantly. Most serious biologists find this timing highly suspicious. Then, a space rock crashed in Australia. Scientists cracked open the famous Murchison meteorite. They found 90 different organic amino acids inside. The exact building blocks found in you today. Life's chemistry is literally riding through space. We know organic organisms can survive out there. Look closely at the microscopic tardigrade creatures. They easily survive the freezing vacuum of space. Cosmic radiation cannot destroy their tough bodies. They just sit and wait to awaken. Biological life can easily hitchhike between worlds. In 2013, Dr. Ellis Silver published proof. His book argues humans are poorly adapted invaders. The chronic back pain, sunburns, and dangerous childbirth. Even our internal sleep cycle is slightly off. These are flags we came from elsewhere. But mainstream evolutionary biology has an answer. It is called the evolutionary mismatch theory. Our spines only stood up recently. Evolution moves too slowly to fix us. We walk around in a broken prototype body. We lost thick fur to sweat and run. The painful sunburn is just our price. Our large brains grew faster than birth canals. It is a messy, highly dangerous compromise. Even our environmental destruction makes sense. We evolved in tiny tribes with endless resources. Our brains wire for instant short-term survival. We are not alien invaders from deep space. Just an animal that got powerful too fast. Our technological wiring cannot handle our power. But one giant mystery still remains unsolved. The terrifying, unnatural speed of human evolution. No other planet species ever did this. Dolphins communicate but never built one tool. Chimpanzees used basic sticks 4 million years ago. They have filed 0 technological upgrades since. We went from sharp rocks to nuclear bombs. We jumped from fire to space stations fast. From simple cave paintings to artificial intelligence. 100 years ago, airplanes did not exist. Today, we land autonomous robots on Mars. Nothing on Earth ever accelerated like us. Scientists still argue about the true cause. Maybe it was a sudden gene speech mutation, or stacking knowledge across generations seamlessly. But nothing fully explains the sheer speed. We ran the entire planet in a blink. Nobel laureates could not fully explain it. Modern biology only explains tiny broken pieces. The honest scientific answer is we do not know. We are probably a product of Earth's nature. Mismatch theory handles the weird body quirks, but a small, haunting doubt stays alive. Real genetics founders still ask uncomfortable questions. Our constant internal restlessness is a major clue. We break under gravity and burn under sunbeams. Yet we cannot stop staring at the sky, wondering where our true home really is.